started care when I was 18 with an agency, and I progressed from there. I went to work in the hospital, and then it was something that I'd like to do. Now I've had my role with Wrexham Council as a senior support worker. It's very rewarding, and you meet all kinds of different people, and I think that you have to have the care inside, which I believe I have got to become or to work in the care sector.
It's a lovely job. It's rewarding. You get to meet people. It's just something that you do with passion. You've got to want to do it and love to do it.
I'm a senior support worker. My job involves managing and working with our support workers.
As a support worker, you would support with anything from vulnerable adults, elderly adults, people with impairments, disabilities. And your typical day would be you'd go in the morning and you'd help with supporting with anything that they needed, this personal care, and while still building their skills up around reablement. So you would get them involved in doing everything with you and going through to do things. Meal preparation, medication, there's a lot, and just being there for them really, and communicating with them, and somebody that they'll see on a daily basis.
Yeah, you can work flexible hours. We try and suit the support workers' needs. For example, if they needed days off for childcare cover, we'd be able to work with them as having flexible hours, and they can choose what type of days they'd like to work. So the reablement service is if somebody goes into hospital, we maybe support their discharge. So that could be something like someone having an illness and being taken into hospital, or having an accident, and then we support the discharge from the hospital, and we give for up to 6 weeks to support them and to regain their independence so they can live at home as independent as possible.
So to become a support worker, you don't need qualifications, but you must be willing to work towards gaining a QCF level 2 in health and social care whilst being in the role.